Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. It's Rocky. It is Saturday morning. The sun is not shining. We're square in the middle of winter at this point, well, starting winter. So the days that we get sunshine are very limited. So I'll take what I can get, whatever. I am sitting here in my PJs. I figured it really doesn't matter. Some people wear these PJ type shirts and you don't know the difference. So I figured, whatever, I'll just wear this. The last thing I ever imagined for myself as a child is that I would be sitting around the house in satin pajamas. And fast forward to adulthood, here I am in satin pajamas. But anyway, let's get right into it. I want to give you a few updates. I did do a little bit of shopping, but not shopping in the traditional sense. But I did do a little bit of shopping. I'll show you what I got. And I want to give you a couple updates too. So I'm going to get right into it. In one of my most recent videos, I talked to you about the fact that I did a little bit of Cyber Monday shopping. One of the places I went for Cyber Monday shopping was thebodybean.com. The Body Bean sells all kinds of sort of natural things for the body as well as candles. And I purchased a few things. I repurchased some things that I've purchased before in the past, and then I decided to try a couple new things. So the one thing that you've seen me buy before, and I have raved and raved and raved about, is this candle, this soy candle of the fragrance is called Butt Naked. Best thing I've ever smelled. I'm so glad that I was introduced to this, but I absolutely love the smell of this candle. So I think this is my fourth one that I had. My very first one was a gift, and then I've been buying them ever since. So this is probably my fourth one that I've had. I love, love, love this type of candle. So because I love this candle, and got this half 50 code on Cyber Monday, I decided to try a few other things. So what I also got was Butt Naked aloe lotion. So it's a wonderful blend of the same fragrance as in the Butt Naked, which is tart apples, melons, strawberries, and pears, but this is aloe, made with aloe vera juice. One of the first ingredients in here is the aloe vera juice. Usually you get things and they say that it contains something, and it's like way down at the bottom of the list of ingredients, which means it doesn't have that much in there. This one says water, and then aloe vera juice is the next ingredient. So I'm glad that it actually has a lot of what it claims to have in there. So I haven't tried this, I haven't opened it yet, but I am excited. Let's see what it smells like. Let's just go ahead and open it and see if it smells just like the candle. Oh yes. I'm gonna slather myself in this stuff. But yes, so we have the Butt Naked aloe vera lotion. So then my girlfriend got me a gift. She got me the Butt Naked shampoo bar, and that works just fine, just like any other shampoo, and it smells amazing. I had the shampoo bar, like I said, sitting in my shower, and it just, I don't know, the aroma from that shampoo bar just filled my entire master suite. So my closet, my bedroom, my bathroom all smelled like Butt Naked. And again, Butt Naked does not smell like butt, but it smells amazing. So what I decided to do was try their conditioner bar, because I'm not one that can get away with just using shampoo alone. No matter how moisturizing and conditioning you say shampoo is, the whole purpose of a shampoo is to strip your hair of the stuff, the nasty stuff that's on it, the oils, the dirt, etc. My hair is not, it just, you know, it needs some moisture, it needs to be revived. So what I want to do is try this conditioning bar. It says conditioner bar. I don't know what fragrance it is. I can't remember what it was supposed to be, but it's just cocoa butter, coconut oil, a bunch of other stuff, not a bunch, but like a couple other ingredients, but just to let you know like what the main things are in here. So I'm excited to try this. I'm going to try this and let you know how it works. Does it really moisturize my hair? Was it easy to use? All these different things. Is it better or worse than your traditional conditioner? So I'll let you know what I think about that, but I'm excited to try it because I've never tried solid conditioner before. And then lastly, I think because it was the Black Friday, Cyber Monday kind of a thing, the Body Bean threw in a free gift. They gave me a Loafa goat's milk soap, oatmeal and honey deal. So what it is that on the outside of this is that goat milk oatmeal honey soap, and then on the back of it, which I don't know if you cannot see that. This is a loofah. So it's like a loofah dipped in soap. So you would shower, loofah and soap all in one. And once you're done when the soap is all dissolved and used, you just throw the loofah away. So I thought that was a pretty novel idea. I'm gonna try this. I'm hoping that I don't have a reaction to this or not, because I just really wanna, and it smells amazing. I really wanna try it. But yeah, I'm thinking that the fact that it has goat's milk in it, or made with goat's milk, should be easy on the skin, but we'll see. So that was my entire purchase from the Body Bean. They were kind enough to, again, send me another coupon. You guys can also use this coupon. It gives you 40% off all beauty items. All you have to do is use the coupon code LOCAL. Use the code LOCAL and you can get 40% off. Again, this stuff is not sponsored. It's not an ad. It wasn't free. It wasn't, none of this stuff. I used my own coin to buy all of this stuff. But I just want to share it with you because I'm glad that my friend introduced me to it and now I'm introducing it to you. The next thing I want to give you a follow-up on is a product that I bought once before in the past. This is a vitamin C serum that I use on my face. I ended up repurchasing it, replenishing what I have because I am almost done with the one that I previously purchased. This one is from a company called Ava Naturals, and so I highly, highly recommend this. Now, some people do have a sensitivity to vitamin C, but I think that I don't know, the fact that it's mixed with so many other things makes it less harsh on the skin, but it has a lot of awesome things in here. So I don't know that it would be as harsh to anyone's skin as you might think. So if you do get it, it's not super expensive or anything. I would suggest trying it. It's a skin clearing serum. Has vitamin C, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, retinol, something else. I don't know because they're letters, I don't know what they are. But the key things, I know what they are, and those things are awesome on your skin. So anyway, with that being said, I would suggest trying this. It's Ava Naturals Skin Clearing Serum. For me, what it has done for me, it has reduced my breakouts. It has definitely minimized the appearance of texture on my skin, has seemingly reduced the size of my pores here in this area because I'm not as oily or as dirty or anything, you know what I mean? Like, this area is just not as affected by all the things that were going on with my skin, so that has normalized in a way. And then it helped to, over time, like fade the scarring that I've had on my face. And I've told you this before, because I'm dark skinned, I'm highly melanated, I get hyperpigmentation easier than a lot, I don't know, but I do get hyperpigmentation very easily. Even if it's just from, I had not even a pimple, just dry skin, it will scar. So it's very easy for my skin to scar. This has helped with that. So for a lot of different things. And then you may have even noticed that my complexion is even brighter. So like even like around the eyes or around the mouth, or areas where I would typically get a little bit more hyperpigmentation, they have evened out and my whole overall complexion is a lot brighter. So anybody dealing with any of that dry skin, breakout, scarring, did I say dry skin? Yeah, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, it even plumps the skin. So all of those things, I would say definitely think about this, and it's very inexpensive. Compared to all of these expensive things that you could buy that don't even work, I would say at least give this a shot, give it a chance. And then I got it from, Amazon. So I'm guessing if you don't like it, you could return it. They have a very good return policy. I don't know if this is returnable, but I'm just saying, try it. You won't be, at least in my opinion, you won't be upset. I think that also, if you feel like it's too harsh on your face, you could use it for other things. Like, since it does brighten, and I've not tried this myself, some people have hyperpigmentation on like your elbows and your knees. Just use it on that. Use it on areas that won't, be readily, you won't readily notice that you're, sensitive to it. So go ahead and try this. The last thing I want to give you an update on was my sexy bump. I don't know why I did that video that way, but anyway. So the next thing I want to give you an update on is the bag, the MCM backpack that I purchased. So the one thing that I did sort of complain about was the fact that the straps were too long. Well, my husband figured out how to shorten the straps for me, so now they are shortened. It is still I've kept it purposely a little bit longer because I'm now wearing a coat, but I can even adjust this to make it shorter. But I needed a little bit of extra space slash room or whatever to include my coat when I'm wearing this during winter. But when I wear this in summer, I'm definitely going to shorten it. And I love how this fits now. So if you don't like carrying purses or, you know, clutches, purses, anything that kind of encumbers you in any way, crossbodies are good, but they have to sit on your side or your front, and it still sort of encumbers your movement and things that you can do, in my opinion. So I absolutely love wearing backpack purses for that reason. Now, for some, they feel like the look isn't as sleek or as mature, but this is for my everyday use. I'm not wearing this to a gala. I'm not wearing this to any sort of a professional function or anything like this. This is for my everyday use. The other thing that I didn't share with you is that there are some concerns around having something like this on your back, and if you live in a larger city or if you're in an area that's a little bit more crowded or seedy, you're thinking that people can easily steal from you. Well, because of the higher quality of this bag, the hardware is even good too. So it's very unlikely that somebody could, you know, without holding your bag and making a scene, get into your bag very easily. It takes some elbow grease to maneuver the hardware on here. So it's very unlikely that somebody could steal your things unnoticed. So it does take a little bit of manipulation to use the zippers on this bag, which I appreciate. So if you had any concerns about, you know, this styling of a bag and, you know, the safety of your contents, I would say put that by the wayside, because with this bag, it's not very easy to gain access to it, the inside of it, without you being aware. So that brings me to the end. I wanted to give you a couple of updates. Today is the day that I'm going to be all over and everywhere, all at the same time. I still have a few errands to run before I head out to Milwaukee for Milwaukee area for my Sister Circle meeting, but I am looking forward to that. I'm pretty sure when I get back, hubby and I are gonna do some things, like go out to dinner. Maybe not do some things, but we're gonna go out to dinner or something like that. And that will be my Saturday in a nutshell. So talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching me in my satin pajamas. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Hit the like button. Bye.